Hello, I'm Nicholas Crady. I'm a Lambda engineer, and in today's guide we're going to go over our recommended BIOS settings for our vector motherboards. Depending on your vector configuration, you may have a slightly different motherboard for our Vector 1s, our Vectors, or our Vector Pros. These all should still be ASUS motherboards with similar BIOS settings, and these same settings that we're going to recommend today will be in the same locations and the same submenus. The first of the BIOS options that we're going to change today is SR-IOV support, or Single Root I/O Virtualization. This setting is a common cause of PCIe devices such as hard drives or GPUs falling off the bus. To find the SR-IOV support option, we're going to navigate to the Advanced menu and go down to the PCI Subsystem Settings menu. Open that up, and we should see SR-IOV support. Here we are going to enable this option, and we are all set. The next BIOS option we're going to change is Fast Boot. Now we're going to leave the advanced options here and travel over to our boot submenu. Now here we're going to navigate to the boot configuration submenu and change Fast Boot from enabled to disabled. These settings are the only ones we recommend changing by default. However, other settings may need to be changed in specific circumstances. We do recommend, though, in those circumstances to reach out to us at Lambda Support and open a ticket, because we'd love to help you out in those scenarios.